There are 8 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W sitting around a rectangular table and facing towards the center. 4 of them sit at corner and 4 in the middle. There are 2 persons sit between S and V. First we will make a rectangular shape table. There are 2 persons sit between S and V. 4 of them sit at corner and 4 in the middle. Four in the middle and 4 in the corner. We will take 2 shapes because one is correct. Only one will be correct. And all of them are facing towards the center. Now the question starts. There are 2 persons sit between S and V. One S we can put in the center and 2 persons we have to leave. 2 persons sit between S and V. 1, 2. 1 we can take in the corner. 1, 2, V. There is 1 person sit between V and P. P, who is not immediate neighbor of S. P is not immediate neighbor of S. So P will not come over here. There is 1 person sit between V and P. V and P. P will not come here. 1 person sitting between V and P. P can come here. R is neither immediate neighbor of P nor S. R is not immediate neighbor of P nor S. So R can come here. U sits immediate right of V. It is left, right. S does not sit at any corner of the table. S is not sitting at the corner of the table. Here S is sitting in the corner of table. This diagram is wrong. This one is cancelled. W sits third to the right of W sits third to the left of Q. P, U, V, R, S. Left of Q. 1, 2, 3, W. This diagram is correct. And 1 person is left. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. P, Q, R, S, T can come here. This one is correct. P, U, V, R, W, T, S, Q. Now we will have the question session in the next video. Watch for more.